Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the BJ's Wholesale Club, shopping and membership savings, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. BJ's Wholesale Club is a membership-based shopping app designed to help users save on groceries, electronics, furniture, and everyday essentials in bulk. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows members to shop directly from BJ's stores or online, view current deals, and earn rewards with their membership. It also supports in-club pickup, same-day delivery, and convenient curbside service for faster shopping experiences. The app's main feature is its digital coupon and savings system, which automatically applies member discounts at checkout. Users can clip coupons, track gas and grocery savings, and manage their BJ's membership from within the app. It also provides personalized recommendations and digital receipts, making it easier to monitor spending and savings. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its wide range of products, exclusive member deals, and time-saving pickup options. The app is particularly useful for families and businesses that prefer buying in bulk to save money. The layout is simple, and the search function helps locate items quickly, whether you're shopping online or in-club. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional login errors, app slowdowns, or issues with coupon clipping not applying properly. In certain regions, delivery coverage may also be limited. In summary, the BJ's Wholesale Club app may be worth using if you're a frequent bulk shopper looking for exclusive deals, digital coupons, and quick delivery or pickup options. However, if you're not a BJ's member or prefer smaller quantity purchases, it might not be essential for your shopping routine. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.